How much money do we make on this sailing channel on YouTube? We run this channel about sailing as a hobby. We do it for fun. We both have normal jobs, but let's be honest, it is rewarding when we get paid from YouTube. So, how much money do we actually make on this hobby? Let's dive into the numbers and do the math. As you can see, we started this channel in 2010. That's 16 years ago. But that's not relevant. We published 2 videos that year, and then it was quiet for the next 13 years. So it's more realistic to say that we started 2 years ago. In total, we have made 74 videos. From the summer 2024, we spent around 6 months to get monetized. We achieved that in November 2024. Now it's November 2025, so we have been monetized for about a year. So, how much money have we made in 1 year on YouTube? After almost 2 years actively on YouTube and 1 year being monetized, we have made in total $910 US. This is about 800 euros. Wow, we are rich! But if you make videos yourself, you know how time consuming it is. We have no idea how many hours we spent filming, editing, making thumbnails and descriptions. And we also spent a lot of hours studying the almighty YouTube algorithm. So, almost $1,000 in a year. Will we be able to quit our day jobs now? What is the trend? How much will we make next year? As you can see, we had the monster hit in September. This has more than 130,000 views. This single video is about 30% of the total views on the channel. After this video, that went viral in September, the graph is higher, but it looks like it will soon get down to normal. Let's have a closer look at this viral video. Out of the $910 we made in total, 290 of them are from this video. This is about 30%. So, without this important video, we would have made only $620, or a bit over 500 euros. So, do we make a profit? Well, if you know how much a camera costs, how much a Mac costs to do the editing, and we also invested in the software called Final Cut Pro, and now we're talking about buying a drone to get some aerial views for you guys, well, we will never ever make a profit. But luckily, we don't do this for profit. We do this because we think it's fun. And also one more thing. After working with this channel for a while, we have been contacted by several people with the same interest as we have. So, we have made a few new digital friends. That is also rewarding. And that makes much more sense than the close to $1,000 in the bank account. And what next? We will continue to make videos for you, but as you understand, we do it because we like it. And we understand that we will never make a profit. But maybe we can afford that drone one day. And that's quite cool, don't you think? Do you have any questions about this? Ask them in the comments below, and we will answer you. Do you want to see that monster hit that we discussed? Then you can see it up here in the corner. Click that preview. If you've seen that before, then you can try this video. That might also be interesting for you. So, thanks for watching. And now you know how much money we make in a year on YouTube.